Alright, I got this Plaza Lanes sign on the trailer pulled into the garage, the shop. Try to get it off the trailer using the crane. So, see how it goes here. Alright, well, hoisting. Got a dangerous ghetto rig here. And we'll see if we can get off the trailer without breaking everything. Good luck. Well, it's off the trailer, but it's listing severely. Look at this. It's the only thing holding it up. Yikes. It might fall over and smash a bunch of tubes. That would suck. That's what I'm doing it working by myself. Alright, well, it didn't fall over. It's not listing. I got the tractor moved so it won't hopefully tip over. Ugh. Jesus. I think I got it. I think it's level. It's on. A couple dollies. And it's not actually being supported by the bucket. I think it's on. I think I got it. All right. Got it inside. Got the garage door closed. Got it hooked up with the crane. It's on some dollies. This is the first time I've actually had this this side of the sign off, because if you recall, the trailer was butted up to about here, and I couldn't get the panel off. So looking on this side for the first time with the whole panel off. Got a couple broken housings. That one and a couple further on in here. You can see. And then, of course, the transformer tray, the bottom, random junk down in there, and this other wiring. Look at this crispy critter right here. Yikes. Crispy critter. Alright, anyway. I'm excited to have this inside now. That was dicey, pretty touch and go for a while there. Almost lost it a couple times. I don't think I broke any tubes, but well, any tubes that weren't already broken. I think I lost some pieces off of this one, but you know, no big deal. That one's already broken, eh? So I'll just have to get it hooked up. hooked up to power and see what we got. Plaza Lanes. All its 70s glory. Very good. Anyway, on the plus side, I didn't die getting crushed by a half-ton sign. And that's a little bit of insurance up there now. Because there's a giant steel pole inside. Yeah, that thing probably weighs twice as much as I do. Hell, maybe more. Anyway, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for further updates. Hit subscribe for more neon-related videos. See you next time. Okay, so I lied. I took the panel off the top and found a plug that I must have attached earlier, so I'm gonna flip it on and see what happens. I don't recall what I had it hooked up to, so look at that. Something's arcing. Look at Plaza Lanes going. Nice. Yeah. Let's back up and take a look. Awesome. Something's arcing over here. I think it's this wire too close to the body. And nothing on this side. If I recall, that bank of transformer trays was for the other side, and this one where the wire's coming from was for this side, so. But the animator, power for the animator's on the other side, so the mechanical flasher. So, anyway, I'll leave you with that. That's good. Excellent. Thanks, guys. See ya.